All right, good morning, friends. Break the ice. How are y'all doing today? Good. Just three of us. Let's get up a little bit. Okay, so today we are going to be reviewing our capital letters and our lowercase letters, and we're going to find insects that match with our letters, okay? Kind of like we looked at the book, and our book had some different insects in there. Let me ask you guys, what is your favorite insect? Or just one that you can think of, or do you hate bugs? Me too. I don't like bugs. Bumblebees. Bumblebees, me too. I like these, and I also like butterflies because they're beautiful. Did you have a favorite one? Ladybugs, that's a good one. All right. So, like I said, today we're going to be looking at capital and lowercase letters. So let's read our I can statement. If y'all want to repeat after me. I can match capital and lowercase letters with insects. Awesome, and that is what we're going to be doing today, okay? So I have some letters that we're going to review, and I'll kind of demonstrate what I want you guys to do. So this is a capital A, okay? So when I show you, I want you to say it with me. Capital A, okay? Here we go. Capital A, okay? And when I flip it over, I have them matched. So this is a lowercase a. Can y'all say lowercase a? Lowercase a. All right, and so if we look inside, there's a surprise, and it's our matching insect, okay? And that's an ant, because if you look, it has an A right here, and A is for ant, okay? So I'm going to go to our next one, and we have a capital B. Can y'all say capital B? Capital B. Good, and this is a lowercase b. Do y'all remember reviewing these letters in class? We did a little bit. All right, and our surprise insect is a butterfly. B for butterfly. Okay. Our next letter is a capital C. Can I say capital C? Good, and this is a, thank you, good job, lowercase c. And our magic insect is a caterpillar. Have you ever seen a caterpillar? Yeah. All right, we've got a bunch of caterpillars in Louisiana. All right, this is a capital D. Can y'all say capital D? And this is a, good job. And our secret insect is, let's see, a dragonfly, because it starts, if we look right here, it's got a D in the beginning. Dragonfly. Okay. All right, so this time we're going to go through them one more time, and I want you guys to say what it is, okay? I'm going to kind of switch them up a little bit. All right, and I want you to say capital and lowercase at the beginning. Y'all ready? Good. Good job. And who can remember what our insect that matched with it was? What is it? Good job. It was a butterfly. Okay, great job. What about? Good. And a, okay, can anybody else tell me what insect was in here? Dragonfly. Awesome. All right, we got two more. Good. And a, good. And our matching insect, you know this one? Good job. And our last one, what is this? Lowercase a, and, all right, and our matching insect, an ant. Okay, good job matching our letters. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you each a set. Let's see, if y'all wouldn't mind sharing one set for me, and I'll give you one set. What I'm going to have you do is keep it in your stack. You're going to pull the first one forward, and I want you to use your magic finger. Can you show me your magic finger? And we're just going to trace our letters, okay? And you guys will take turns. So you're going to trace your capital A, and I want you to say capital A, okay? And once you trace it, flip it over in lowercase a. So when you trace it, make sure you're saying what letter you're tracing, okay? And then you can open it up and take a peek at your magic insect, okay? Here's the stack. And if you guys just want to start at the first and then take turns tracing and then go to the next one, y'all can do that. All right. If you'll have any questions, let me know. Good job.
Hold up this number 2.
Good job.
Which one of these groups?
Awesome. I love the way you're tracing those letters. Make sure to look at your insect to match inside, because when we do our next activity, we're going to have to match some insects.
We're not going to get our friends with these flash waters, and we're going to pick our capital C. Okay? So whoever is sitting quietly listening gets to go first.
Good job.
Gabby, you're really great listening.
Awesome.
Water.
Did you look at your insects? You did? Good job. Can you tell me what insect starts with an E? Good job. I'll take these from you.
5. Okay.
All right, can you tell me what insect starts with the letter A? Do you remember? Ant, good job. And what about the letter C? Can you tell me?
Caterpillar.
Good job. All right, so now that we went
That's
over
right.
that, what
That
we're going
does
to do
happen on the
next
side.
is I'm going to give you a set of these guys right here. Okay, and I want you to put them in order that we reviewed. So our something B, C, D. Okay, so I want you to put A, B, C, and D in front of you. And then I'm going to give you another stack of these, and I just want you to, let's see, I just want you to put them out in front of you like this. And if it's got an underline on it, that means that it's the bottom. Okay, so it's not going to go this way. The line means that that's the bottom. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your first stick, and this is an A, right? Okay, we're going to match. So we've got a capital A. What goes with a capital A? An ant. Good. And what other letter goes with that? A lowercase a, okay? So we're going to do that, and we're going to match all of them. So our B would have a lowercase b, and our butterfly. And the C would have the lowercase c, and so on and so forth, okay? Do y'all have any questions? Okay. Do y'all feel confident? Give me a thumbs up that you think you can do this. Awesome.
Megan?
Okay. Here is yours.
This number. Can you tell me what number this is?
Go ahead.
It's number 3.
Put those out in front of you. Yeah.
Has 3. You're right, Megan.
Okay, and I really want you to take your time on this.
Let's count them.
Send out all of your lowercase n insects.
Group of 3 flies.
And I want you to take your time when you look at your capital A. I want you to say, okay, which one matches with this one? Look for your lowercase a and put it on that stick.
2, that's right. Okay, which one of these has 2 flies?
And then I've got my assessment sheet.
1, 2. All right.
And as you match them, you can say to yourself, capital A, lowercase
Each of
a,
you,
butterfly, or ant, caterpillar.
it goes inside.
Good job. I like the way you're matching those.
Okay. I'm going to show you how we're going to.
Good job.
Okay.
All right.
So,
Let's see.
each of your maps have all the numbers from 1 to 10 on them, okay?
All right. Let's review real quick. Can you tell me what letter this
Can
is?
anyone tell me?
Capital A. Good job. I like the way you mentioned it as a capital. What about this one? Lowercase. And what was our answer? Good.
6.
All right.
You're so right. Okay,
All right, so we've got a
take this
capital
right
B.
here. They all have
Let's look
little
at these
spots
two.
under it. I have to match it to my number
All right,
6.
so the way that Miss Soley remembers our B is, it looks like, let's see, if we had a smiley face right here, it looks like it has a big old belly, right? We got bellies. Okay, so remember our belly goes this way. The belly is B. So we do that on that one, and this is our D. Our circle and our D goes the other way. Okay. So what letter was
Stay
this?
inside the
Good.
pan, okay? We're not gonna throw one fly, we're not gonna take it out of there, just stay right in here, okay?
Yeah, good job. Are you gonna switch those for me?
So if you can't find a number
Good
on this
tattoo on
side, turn it over.
B for
on the other side.
butterfly. What is this? A. Good. And what comes next? B. B. And what comes next? C. And D. Good job. I like how y'all put them in order. A, B, C, D. Awesome. What is this letter? C. Right. What is this? Lowercase c. Good. And caterpillar. Awesome. How do y'all feel y'all did on this one? Y'all feel confident? B, C, D. Everybody did a great job. We got all of our sticks and all of our letters on there. So now I will collect all of your material. Wonderful.
I haven't finished them,
Okay,
but
so
I
I'm
did
not-
start putting the colors.
So it looks like I'm only at 9 minutes. So I did do these this morning. This was like an idea for extra time. And then I'll have like, since I already had them trace with their fingers, maybe let them trace with pencils. I don't know. Or like markers.
Paper and pencil. And have
Okay.
them practice writing, and maybe they can draw butterflies and
Okay.
things.
So maybe I could have them like trace these and then flip it over and then draw and like write their
Or you
own.
could just give them paper.
Okay, just
White
like a
paper.
plain sheet. Okay. Dang, that finished faster than I expected.